Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we have another unboxing. I think it's my last unboxing for the month, and it is my beauty box from Love Lula. So Love Lula is cruelty free, it's vegan friendly. Every month it costs $14.95, and yeah, it's a relatively new box to me. I've had a few of them now. It's $14.95, as I say, every month. But what I've just discovered is if you take that price, you're tied in for 12 boxes, although you just pay monthly. If you just want to have like a rolling one-off month box, it's going to cost you $19.95, is it? Yeah. So I'd considered cancelling this. However, I do need to wait till I've had 12 boxes in total before I can do that. Having said that, it is a really nice box, and I'll just show you what I've got and then we'll discuss the products. So what have we got in here? A couple of little leaflets and things which I'll just get rid of. 25% off the brands in this box using the code BBFEB19, which is valid until the 10th of March. That's that there if you're interested. Oh, and on the back it tells us what the products are. So first things first, what have we got? So we've got a Seascape Island Apothecary Soothe Sleep Oil, and that is 8 mils. I've had a hand cream by this company, and it was actually a really nice hand cream. So where are we? We've got, so the Soothe Sleep Oil, it says, let me open it up first and I'll tell you all about it. It's just taking me longer to do everything, as you know, as I keep telling you with my stupid wrist. So it says on here, contains 100% natural essential oil of comforting lavender oil, as well as 3 other fruit and flower essential oils to balance the mind. Our Soothe range is fragranced with pregnancy safe essential oils, so that's good to know. So if you are pregnant, then you are able to use this product. It just puts a small amount to the temples or under the nose to aid sleep or relaxation. Actually, that might be quite handy for me just now, because been on quite strong painkillers with my wrist, but I'm going to have to obviously come off those painkillers as soon as possible. So anything that will help me sleep will be great. This is it. I'm wondering if it's in a roller. Let's have a little. It is. How good is that? Let me just roll a little bit here. Oh, it smells really nice. It does smell really calming and relaxing. So on here it says, so this is it here. It's such nice packaging. It just says, a true lullaby in a bottle. The multiple award-winning Soothe Sleep Oil contains 100% natural essential oil of lavender to relax and calm, as well as the oils of grapeseed, sweet almond, bitter orange flower and mandarin orange peel to balance the mind. I will put the prices up across the screen and do the split screen, because it doesn't give me any prices here. But yes, that is it. It's a sleep oil, and I think it's actually just a really nice product. So yeah, that smells lovely. So pop that there. Next thing I've got is, so it's 100% organic. It is the Balm Face Balm and More. Fragrance free, 100% natural. Let's take this out and have a little look. So it's 30 mils. And this is it here. What does it say about it? It says, so it's a fragrance-free face balm. So it is multi-purpose organic balm that melts on contact with skin, leaving it supple and smooth. A must-have for sensitive skin. On this it just says, squeeze a small amount onto fingertips and rub between fingers to create a light oily texture. Apply to any areas that need moisturising and conditioning, such as cheeks, lips, neck, hands, arms, legs and feet. So let's just try a little bit of this. It doesn't have a seal over. It feels very thick. Yes, so it is really, really thick, almost sort of Vaseline-y. I wonder if it's a little bit like the Paw stuff, the Dr. Paw. It does melt down really greasy. Pop a bit on my elbow, just so I'm not, yeah. It is very oily. but I can imagine that'd be really, really nourishing, as it says, like maybe popping it on your heels, elbows, knees, things like that, just to get a little bit extra hydration. It's gone in quite nicely. So yeah, it's a nice enough product. So there we are. Next thing I've got is a gentle moisturizer from PHB, which is Ethical Beauty, scent free, 100% natural, with apricot and shea butter for sensitive skin, dry skin and eczema. So this feels really heavy, so it feels like it could be in a glass bottle. Let's have a look. Oh, this looks really, how nice does that look? That looks really expensive. This looks lovely. Just pumping it out. It's in a pump. Oh, heck. Pump bottle. I've just squirted it all over my hand. I'll just try and pop it on this hand, I think, here. It feels quite light, but it's going in really, really easily. There is a slight fragrance. I'm sure it says it's fragrance free. Scent free. Maybe that's from something earlier that I've had on then, because I've just done another unboxing before this. But that has gone in so easily. It is really nice. I think it looks really lovely. It looks a really nice product. So what does it say about this? So it says, here we go. So it is PHB Ethical Beauty Gentle Moisturizer. This hypoallergenic moisturizer softens, nourishes and restores radiance whilst protecting from environmental damage. Apricot and shea butter protect against inflammation to help skin looking healthy and rejuvenated. So yeah, it looks a really nice product. It feels really, really weighty. It feels good quality, and it's got none of the nasty things in, as you can see on the back there. So there's like no palm oil, no parabens, no toxins, no GM ingredients, halal certified, it's natural, organic, vegan, cruelty free and handmade. So that's actually such a lovely, lovely product. So yes, happy to get that. And then, oh, what's that? Oh, what's this? So a Gentle Rain Walden 10ml perfume oil. Okay, so this is a natural perfume oil, a Gentle Rain. New from Walden Natural Perfumes, their latest scent, a Gentle Rain, is luxurious fragrance that grows with a blend of oak moss, labdanum and patchouli. So it's a little perfume. I didn't even know this was in here when I opened it up. It's on a little roller. Pop a bit on. Ooh, you can smell the patchouli. It smells very much of essential oils and things. It's very fresh, and I'll wait for that to settle down. But it's not horrible, it's just different. But it's actually, there's something very nice about it. But yeah, it's not florally and perfumey like you'd think in the traditional sense. But it is very, very nice. And then my last item I've got in my box is a Crazy Rumours Hot Cocoa Lip Balm with shea butter. I do like a lip balm, and this says so 100% natural, vegan certified, cruelty free and super moisturizing lip balm with shea butter and jojoba oil. So it's a lip balm. I've just about finished one of my other lip balms that I got from somewhere else. I can't open it because it's sealed, and it's just, I can't put enough strain on it to open this up. But I'll let you know all about it when I do my empties video. So just to recap what we got this month, we've got the lip balm, we've got the perfume, we've got the moisturizer, we have the face balm, but that's that sort of nice moisturizing cream, and also the sleep oil, the night oil. So we've got 5 products there. So that is actually a really nice box. Now, do you know, when I first opened it, I thought I had 3 moisturizer products. I thought I had a face oil and 2 moisturizers, and I actually went and unsubscribed. So I'm actually really pleased now that I'm tied in for the 12 months, because I jumped the gun a little bit and I just thought, oh, I don't want all this skincare. But actually now I've opened it, I'm really pleased with this box. So I'm so happy I've got some more months. And then when I get to that end of the 12 months, I think I'm just going to keep on going as long as these upcoming boxes I'm happy with. So yeah, it's skincare with a conscience, isn't it? It's a beauty box with a conscience. I really like it. I like the ethics behind it, and I like the fact it's vegan and cruelty free. So it's a step in the right direction for me, because some of my other makeup still isn't. I'm not 100% cruelty free yet, but it's definitely something I'm going to start looking into, I think. So I hope you've enjoyed my final unboxing for February. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to leave a comment down below if you have enjoyed watching it, or if you've got any comments or anything. I do enjoy reading them, and I do try to reply to everybody. Give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and I'll see you all again very soon. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care. Bye for now.